Just loaded up the 2 Outlanders. We got the tracks on. This is going to be our last trip this year up the mountain with the tracks.
Going on an adventure, buddy.
Yep, we are off. We'll head up to the mountain for the night. Up there somewheres.
Yep.
Let's see where we end up.
See where we end up. I can't wait.
And we're off. Look at that. Lots of drifts up in here. Couple snowmobilers taking off. This is where we'll probably call home tonight.
Yeah.
Cook up a fancy dinner.
Yeah. We're here at the cabin here in North River, and we had some visitors show up.
Yeah, we're up on sleds, and I'm Frank Leahy, and we're just from belong to the ATV club. Be calm.
Eugene, Catalone.
Catalone.
Scott Averill, Myra.
Scott.
Abby.
Where are you from?
Whitney.
From the pier.
From India. Come on. I was going to say, yeah.
Dave, tell them how we sent her. What gave it away?
Same material, no Waterford.
No Waterford.
Trails are great.
Freddie McGlario from the pier. Travis Burke, Myra Gutt.
Myra Gutt. I already did you.
Already did.
All right, we'll go back to Endub.
Tony McDougall from New Waterford.
No Waterford. He came all the way from India to travel on the snowmobile and the Cabot Trail. Now, you got to tell us a little bit about your experience here, sir.
Oh, I loved it.
You loved it? Yeah. Is this your first time?
No, this is third year. I've been doing this.
He's an old pro.
Not pro.
Yeah, but
all
it's
right.
Listen.
Far from a pro.
It's called Watch Out for the Trees.
I've been there. They're getting ready to head out, and it was awesome having them here. Good laughs.
You know what's fun about, coming up these snowmobilers and staying at the cabins? Meeting all them guys.
Oh yeah, no, it's awesome.
Right? Pretty
Yeah.
good. But there's
Good laughs.
Eight people there.
Yeah,
wasn't it?
yeah. No Waterford, Howie Center, Myra Gutt. It was awesome.
Schooner
Yeah.
Point. Yep.
Yeah.
All over the place. Awesome.
Awesome.
All right, now it's time to get on some food. Look who we caught up with here.
Yeah.
Huh?
And dit.
I've been called a lot of bad things.
And they don't like Lindsay, so they didn't want to stay for
No,
supper.
No, they said,
My worst.
fuck, she's here. We're not
Jeff.
staying.
right, time to cook up some food, Linz.
I'm starving. It was a good ride in. I'm starving, and we're doing something a little different here, guys. We're gonna have some Alfredo penne.
Ooh, and what are we gonna put in it?
Special guest, crocodile.
So we're gonna have crocodile Alfredo penne.
You're not gonna get that at Eastside Mario's.
No, that's true. You will not.
No,
What
but
about Boston Pizza?
not even Boston Pizza, but you'll
No.
get it here at North River Cabin.
Yes, that's right. You will.
Yep. Chef Feener's here cutting up the crocodile. I got the water on.
You can just call me Crocodile Dundee. Alrighty.
One of the things I guess we gotta kind of acknowledge or whatever is a couple times today we got recognized for our channel. So just want to say thanks, guys and girls and everybody out there watching us. Thanks for the support and thanks for saying hi, man. Like, we love it.
Absolutely, Linz. It really motivates us to make more videos.
Yeah, exactly.
It's great meeting everybody out there. You know, there was a Tim Hortons today. Buddy recognized, came up, said, "You guys got a YouTube channel?" We were like, "Yes."
Yes.
Anyways, we had what 15-minute conversation with him. Great guy.
And he's talking about getting a wheeler and stuff, and
Yep.
we're like, do it, bro. Just get out there.
I can't wait to taste it either.
Yeah, looks good.
It's the smell of it that's
Yeah.
very sweet smelling. Can you guys smell that? Do I got that close enough? All right, start the music. Our water's dancing.
Give me a little nugget of it. Give me that little one.
This one?
Yep. Okay. Like, a bite tastes like fish, and then it tastes like chicken.
Really? So it's got like a texture of fish.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got like the flakiness of fish, but like chicken.
Let's get a little piece here. Let's check this out. Crocodile meat. My first time. Lindsay just had it. She liked it.
I didn't
Let's
die.
check it out.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Fishy chicken
Fishy chicken.
without the fishiness. Like,
Yeah.
it's good. I'd definitely get it again.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Let's throw this in. We'll mix
Sure,
them in
sure.
and then we'll throw some meat in.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, gee. Oh, yeah.
Grab right there. That's some Parmesan cheese.
What?
Huh?
You're killing me,
Huh?
buddy.
Got the good stuff.
Let's go.
We'll throw some swimming chicken in there.
Swimming chicken.
That's what we're going to call this.
Crocodile is now known as
Swimming chicken.
swimming chicken. Throw a little more. Okay, my mouth is watering. Get a little stir. Oh, yeah.
Looking good now.
Okay.
Throw in some of that Parmesan cheese. Nom, 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 nom.
Okay, well, I'm going to try to do this thing.
Oh, fancy like.
Oops. Probably going to get some cat fur off my sweater, too. Throw it all in there.
Throw it all in there. Just adds to the flavor.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to put that, and then we're going to make some more. Go ahead, throw some more meat in there.
No, I'm just throwing it all in now. Just going all in.
Yep.
We're going all in.
Throw this in there.
Well, Linz, this is a little different. Crocodile Alfredo penne
Yep.
with some Caesar salad.
Get some Caesar salad here, buddy. Dish this up for you.
All righty, thank you.
We always have to have vegetables. Our wives always tell us make sure. I mean,
Yeah, I
they're
know.
they're
Mom's-
great cooks.
They're great women.
Great women. We are so
But
fortunate.
they're always hounding us to eat our greens, eat our greens. I understand why, but...
Yep.
All right, let's get on this and see what this is like.
First, let's cheers, brother.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm.
Oh, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. Supper was delish. Dessert is only going to get better. We got to take a couple packs of freeze-dried strawberries. Break them up a little bit smaller.
Quality control. Check.
Quality control.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
Next, we need a little bit of water. Not a whole lot. Stir our water up. Okay. Put our strawberries in the water. Get that heated up. What we want to do is rehydrate the strawberries. Get them into like a paste. We need honey. Oh, come on, honey, honey. Oh, she's starting to bubble in there. I better turn her down some. Can't hurt to have a little bit of extra sugar in there.
Diabetes. Oh, wow. I swear, that just looks exactly like, you know, when your grandmother's cooking the strawberries down to make strawberry jam.
Yeah. On to the next part. Oh, what do we got here? We have Twinkies. Yeah, instead of strawberry shortcake, we're having strawberry Twinkie cakes.
And these things, people, will survive an apocalypse, so...
Yep. How are we doing here? Do you mind your Twinkies warm?
I love my Twinkies warm.
Alrighty. Let's get some strawberry on here. Ho, 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 look at that. You might want to take a picture of that. That's beautiful. We have some icing sugar. Just a little sprinkle of this on top.
Oh, wow.
That's probably enough. We don't want to kill it. All right. There you go, Linz. How's that?
Damn, that looks good. Oh, man.
And it's going to be warm, too, because the strawberries are warm.
Oh, my gosh. I'll be doing this again. I'm gonna have to hide Twinkies in my truck. The kids won't eat them. Oh my god, that's so good.
It's awesome. All right, guys, just finished up our dessert and our supper. That was delicious.
It was awesome.
We're just going to kick back here, put our feet up, watch a TV show. Probably call it a night. We'll see you guys all in the morning. Take care.
Night, guys. Good morning, everyone. It's day 2 of our adventure, and we're going to do a little tea time with Lindsay. Lindsay's bag of tricks and things. These are the teas we have today. We have Maritime Breakfast. Actually, this is one of my faves. Mint Refresher. And Winter Edition. I think I'm going to go with the Winter Edition. This had like a little chocolatey peppermint. DJ offered up his jet boil so I could see how fast it brings the water to a boil. What a good guy. He knows I need my tea. That's the jet boil system. I don't know much about it, but I kind of want one now. I'm kind of like that Keeping Up with the Joneses. That's why it's Lesbiana Jones. What? It's bubbling already? You can't really see the bubbles. A little bit. There you go. I feel like Lindsay's tea time should almost be like back in the day SNL. Steve Martin's Deep Thoughts. put in the comments if you'd like to, if you'd like me to carry on with that part of the show.
Well, cabin, thank you for a great night, keeping us warm and safe. Of course, like always, we clean up like we are never here. Take our garbage out with us. Let's get on the trail. Well guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. Take a minute and like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and leave a comment down below. Let us know how we're doing. Alright, I'm gonna go back under my bridge and be a troll. We just arrived at North River Falls. Whoa, look at that going.
Oh, wow.
Yep, that is roaring.
Wow.
I got to get to the bottom of those. Not today, but...
Absolutely.
All right, guys, no better place to end the video than right here in North River Falls.
Yeah, absolutely beautiful.
Gorgeous. What a weekend, huh?
What a weekend, man. Just
awesome.
Riding the trails in the snow. After this, we'll be taking the tracks off.
Yeah, we'll be back on the tires real soon. All right, guys, take care. Please like and subscribe for future videos, and we'll see you on the next one.
See you guys.